Hello everybody. We are studying a chapter biological classification. So in this chapter today we are going to study about kingdom Protista. So what type of organism comes under kingdom Protista? यो kingdom Protista भित्र चाहिँ कस्तो खालके organismsहरु आउँछ भन्दाखेरि the organisms which are unicellular as well as they are eukaryotes. Eukaryotes भन्नुको मतलब organisms which have membrane bound organelles. जुन चाहिँ organisms को चाहिँ membrane bound organelles हुन्छ त्यसलाई हामी eukaryotes भनेर भन्छौं, isn't it? Okay. So this Protista further classified into three groups. They are photosynthetic Protista. The second one is protozoan Protista, and the third one is saprophytic Protista. Okay, so these are the different types of Protista. Some of the Protista are photosynthetic, some of the Protista are protozoans, that depends on other organisms, and as well as some of the Protista are saprophytic, means that used to grow on other organisms, right? Okay, now this photosynthetic Protista further classified. फेरि यो photosynthetic जुन चाहिँ Protista छ यसलाई फेरि further classified गरिएको छ. Is that clear? So what are they? Number one is Chrysophyta. अब Chrysophyta मा the word chryso indicates, यो chryso ले के indicates गर्छ भन्दाखेरि it indicates golden algae. यो के रहेछ तिम्रो golden algae. Golden algae that comes under Chrysophyta. Examples हामी के लिन सक्छौं? The example will be diatoms. So about this Chrysophyta, whatever groups comes under this Protista, we'll study separately in separate video. So today we are classifying this kingdom Protista. Okay. The second type is Pyrophyta. A Pyrophyta, pyro indicates fire. That means the organism that comes under this Pyrophyta, it used to glow. It has ability to glow. Okay. The examples will write Dianoflagellata. Dianoflagellata is the example of Pyrophyta. Okay. The third one is Euglynophyta. The third one is Euglynophyta. That means example will be the Euglena that you have learned in the lower classes. A protozoan Protista further classified. You see, protozoan यो Protista छ यो फेरि क्लासिफाई गरिएको छ के मा भन्दाखेरि नम्बर 1 इज सार्कोडिना. एउटा खालको प्रोटोजोन प्रोटिस्टालाई हामी के भन्छौं? सार्कोडिना, जुन चाहिँ एमोबोइड खालको हुन्छ. एमोबोइड and you know example is amoeba. You have learned in the lower classes also structures यस्तो खालको हुन्छ. Yes sir, amoeboid, and it used to move with the help of pseudopodia. It used to move with the help of pseudopodia. Yes sir. And number 2 is Sarcodina देखिनको अब number 2 मा Ciliata. Example will be the Paramecium, and we know you have already learned in the lower classes also Paramecium ko it has cilia all around its body, isn't it? Okay. The third one is Zooflagellata. Zooflagellata ma chai one example will come. You have to write tryposoma. Tryposoma is the example of Zooflagellata. But still this protozoan Protista is classified into the fourth one is अझै एउटा छ कुरा बुझ्नु होला नि. फोर्थ one is sporozoan एन्डोप्यारासाइट स्पोरोजोइन एन्डोप्यारासाइटमा को आउँछ भन्दाखेरि प्लास्मोडियम will come under this sporozoan endoparasite. So okay, these are the different types of protozoan protista. Sarcodina amoeba आयो, Ciliata paramecium आयो, Zooflagellata tryposoma आयो, then sporozoan endoparasite भनेको भित्र बस्ने endoparasite मा को आयो प्लास्मोडियम आयो, isn't it? So sporoparasite मा तिमी को लेख्छौ भन्दाखेरि saprophytic protista मा के लेख्छौ भन्दाखेरि saprophytic protista मा हामी के लेख्छौ, we'll write slime molds. Molds भनेको धुँडी थालै छ, okay न? It used to grow on the other organism, and the saprophytic भनेको नै त्यही हो, that used to derive from food from the other organisms, that used to derive food from the other organisms. लाई हामी के भन्छौ saprophytic भन्छौ भने saprophytic protista मा चाहिँ को आउँदो रहेछ slime mold. So okay, today we just classified this kingdom protista in these three categories. So in the next video we'll learn individually. Is that clear? Individually, in individual video we'll study about Chrysophyta, Pyrophyta, Iglinophyta, like that. Is that clear? आजलाई यति फेरि भेटौँला.